Let's take a closer look at this dishwasher water feed line. It is typically supplied with the dishwasher, but in this case it's sold separately because there's always service required in any different situation. So what you have here is a white plastic flexible braided water line that has two ends. Both of them are 3/8 fitting that go onto typically a shutoff valve underneath your sink. This hose is 7 feet long and can accommodate just about any dishwasher location in your cabinets because the water is typically attached or hooked up underneath the sink. That's the supply. And then it has to then go to the dishwasher. The other end has a real heavy duty brass fitting that has a water line, and then it has a gasket inside. So you always have to make sure you have the gasket inside. And one of the tips that I use when installing these, you're going to tighten it to the application, but I would definitely monitor the joint after you've cycled hot and cold water through it, and it might need just a small tightening at that time. I highly recommend this assembly for your dishwasher feed line.